Good day, Roman. Thank you for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm very interested in hearing more about your experience as a visual communication design student at a university in Bandung. In this interview, I will discuss various aspects related to your education, challenge, as well as your plan and aspiration for the future. Hopefully, this interview will provide deeper insight into your journey in the field of visual communication design. Let's start with the first question. What made you interested in choosing the visual communication design major? And was there a particular moment or experience that inspired your decision?
Well, I become interested in the visual communication design major because I have loved art and design since I was a child. I often drew and created various art pieces in my spare time. One moment that truly inspired me was when I attended an art exhibition in high school. There, I saw how powerful message could be conveyed through visual work. I was fascinated by the ability of graphic design of effectively communicate ideas and emotions. Since then, I knew that I want to delve into this field and learn how to become a designer capable of creating impactful works.
Can you tell me more in detail about your learning experience during your study in the visual communication design major? What are the teaching method and type of project you work on?
Um, my learning experience in the visual communication design major has been very diverse and rich in learning. In the early years, we studied in the basic of design theory such as color theory, typography, and composition. Our lectures use a combination of lectures, discussions, and practical assessments to help us understand this complex. Additionally, we also learned to use various design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects through practical sessions in the computer lab. As time went on, we began working on more complex projects. For example, we want to create a complete branding campaign for a fictional product which involved designing logos, packaging, and promotional materials. We also work in the team to design and implement interactive art installation on campus. Each project provides new challenges and opportunities to apply the knowledge we had gained.
What are the biggest challenge you have faced during your study, both academically and academically? So how did you overcome this challenge?
One of the biggest academic challenges is time management. Assignments and projects often take a long time to complete, especially since design is an interactive process and requires many revisions. Additionally, keeping creatively fresh and not getting stuck in the monotonous routine is also a challenge. Creative block can come at any time, and this can greatly hinder the work process. And from a non-academic perspective, balancing social life and academics is also quite challenging. Sometimes The pressure to complete assignments on time makes me have a sacrifice time with friends and family. To overcome this challenge, I learned to be more organized by using calendars and to-do lists to manage my schedule, and also try to seek inspiration from various sources such as other designer works, and nature and everyday life to overcome creative block. Discussing with fellow students also helps a lot in gaining new perspective and fresh idea. Additionally, I make sure to take time to rest and do activities I enjoy so that I don't feel too stressed.
Oh, so what do you think is the role of technology in development of visual communication design? Are there any technology or software that you find particularly helpful in your work?
Um, Technology plays a very big role in the development of visual communication design. With technology, designers have more tool platform to express their creativity and convey message. Design software such as Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and After Effects is very helpful in my work. They allow me to create complex and detailed design with high efficiency. In addition, technological advancements also open up new opportunities such as interactive design and animation. For example, I use After Effects to create animation that add dynamic element to my designs. Technology also allow designer to work more collaboratively, such through platform like Figma, which enable design team to work together in real time.
So, do you have a project that you are most proud of during your study? Can you describe the project in detail and what makes you proud of it?
Yes, I'm very proud of my final semester project where I created a visual campaign to raise awareness about the importance of recycling. This project involved various design elements such as poster, videos, and social media content. I worked hard to create design that were both attractive and informative, and I conduct in the deep research on my wrestling issues and the best way to can view these matches to different audience, and also collaborate with a team to develop creative concept and effective communication strategies. We use various design techniques to ensure our message could be well received by the public. As a result, this project received positive feedback from leaders and friends, and I felt very satisfied with the final outcome. I am proud because this project not only showcased my design skill but also contributed to raising environmental awareness in the community.
Okay, that's good. So, how do you see the role of visual communication design in today's society, especially in the digital and social media era?
Um, I see the role of visual communication design as a very important in the modern society, especially in the digital social media era. Visual communication design help convey message effectively and attractively, which can influence people behavior. and perceptions in the increasingly digital world. The role of visual communication designer becomes increasingly crucial in creating content that is engaging and work well across various platforms. On social media, visual design play a role in building brand identity and attracting audience attention. Attractive visual content can increase engagement and help convey message more quickly and early and clearly. I mean, in addition, visual communication design and also plays a role creating intuitive and enjoyable user experience, especially in the interface and user experience design or UI UX.
Okay. What are your plans after graduation? Is there a specific field within visual communication design that you want to delve deeper into?
Maybe after graduation, I plan to work at a creative agency or design company to gain professional work experience. I want to run from experienced designer and be employed the challenging project in the future. I also want to open my own design studio and work as a freelancer. I want to have the freedom to explore my creative ideas and work with clients from various industries. And additionally, I am interested in continuing to develop my skill through additional courses and workshop. I am very interested in the interactive design and animations, and I want to delve deeper into the technique and technology related to these files.
Okay, thank you very much, Roman, for your time and willingness to share your inspiration, experience, and insight. This interview has provided valuable insight into your journey and aspiration in the field of visual communication design. We wish you success in your study and in achieving all your future plans and dreams. We are confident that you will accomplish great things in your career and designer. Have a wonderful day and keep up the great work. Thank you, Roman.
Welcome.